Okay, I forgot in here. You know what's in here? There's something awesome. Wait, don't open it. Yeah. This is Daniel. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below. See if you like this video. It's all about school supplies. Yeah. Lunchbox. Well, guys, I'm on the first grade. He is going to pre-K. Ow! First time going to school. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoever's going to open their backpack or lunchbox, let's get started. Or shoes. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Anything you want to be. Oh my God. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Anything you want to be. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Anything you want to be. Oh! I thought you were gonna pick rock. Open it. Silent. So look in here. Look in here. That's the smallest. I'll help. Glue. That's one. So this is probably like glue. That is glue. We're gonna test it out and make a video about this. Water bottle. Dark blue, sea ocean blue. Pencil case, there's stuff in there. I'll show it to you. So we'll follow here. If you don't know the names, then I will ask the names. Give me the stuff so I can say a name. Pencil sharpener, blue, light blue from the close see. Crayons. Erasers. Look, guys, I'm not taking any out, but what's this? Glue. Glue. Purple glue. I will not open this. These are color markers. Pencils. Good to write. Not even sharp. Markers. Well, they are. Markers. Oh my gosh. More pencils like a crayon box. I like a tuna. I have one of those in tuna. Come here. I have so much stuff. This one is stuff I have. Okay, guys, we're gonna show my backpack. The name. I love this on my backpack. So this one used to be mine, but I just this lunchbox. Has a name. We'll just slide this over. Let's start with this first. I know there's only one thing in it. You will see. I have to show it to you. I want to grab. Give me. Let me show you from the inside. You can like fill a sandwich in here and like pineapple, little pineapple, then grapes, and then close it, then put the lid and all that. Now I'm starting with my backpack. I'm going to put this back in. Okay. So we'll slide this over and now let's slide this back. So, all the time when I start school it's full. Pencils, 2 pencils. Glue stick. This is just a folder of regular folders. Markers. Oh, you forgot something else. Oh. Show it. Look at my shoes, guys. Same crayons. This is so awesome. Scissors. I don't need scissors. As you see. Glue. I got it. Okay, guys, so my glue. Most important glue. Yeah. Every school has this glue. And I forgot erasers. 2 erasers in one package. The same like this one. Don't do that. Okay, I forgot in here. You know what's in here? There's something awesome. Wait, don't open it yet. I'm not gonna fancy. I mean markers. You can wash them on an eraser. And you can color them on a t-shirt. Stop! Later. And you can wash them on your hands. Safety for kids. Now, can't wait to see this. Wait. A wall. Stop! I won't do that. Locker. Yeah. Lock. Glue. Around the glue. Around. What markers up in here? My gosh. They're actually highlighters. This is this. Look at my pencil box. Wait. Whoa. Ow, my hand. Pencil box. Key locker. You only do the keys because they're in here. Yeah. I'm not going to lock them with any else keys. And headphones. I got headphones. So I have it. It's this color is the dark. Headphones. Okay. That was my last thing. Shoes. I forgot. My shoes. I have other shoes. Daniel's is not because he didn't even have the list for his. Yeah. So we just got a couple stuff. These, comment below if you like this video and take a picture of your backpack and put it on our phones. Comment down below if you like this channel. Yeah. Once again, in Spanish. Comment down below. Comment down below. Like, that's all I can say. I actually did not know too much Spanish. Hola. Come